Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion to manage your client projects more effectively, covering everything from setting up a stunning client portal to tracking client details with a CRM and keeping all your project information organized, all in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a super professional workspace in Notion, using a ready-made template that you can personalize for your unique workflow. This process will save you hours and help you impress your clients with a polished and streamlined experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, for this walkthrough, we'll be using the Client Portal, CRM, and Project Manager template that's available in Notion. These templates are designed by professionals, so they already have a clean, polished look and include smart features you'll need like dedicated spaces for your clients, project timelines, and task tracking. Starting from a template means you don't need to build everything from scratch, and you also have the flexibility to customize it later so it fits you and your clients perfectly. To begin, open up Notion and direct your attention to the very top left corner of your workspace. You'll see a drop-down menu there. It's kind of like your navigation hub for accessing more options. Go ahead and click on it. This drop-down is your gateway to the whole world of Notion templates, and it's a simple way to add powerful new tools to your workspace without fussing over design. From the drop-down, look for an option that says Browse Templates. Give that a click. Notion has a huge library, so to find what we need, use the search function. Type in Client Portal, CRM, and Project Manager. You might see several variations or styles, so spend a moment scrolling through and previewing each one. Pick the template that you feel suits your workflow or the vibe you want for your client interactions. For example, maybe you want something minimal and clean, or perhaps you need more comprehensive tracking features. Either way, there's something for everyone. Once you've found the template you like, select it and click Add. Notion will now bring that template right into your workspace. Sometimes this can take a few seconds to load, especially if the template is robust, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. Now, you'll see a fully structured portal in front of you, with sections already set up for client information, project milestones, documents, and more. The next step is to make this template your own. Go through the fields and start adding in your credentials. Think about things like your company name, your contact details, and any branding touches that help clients realize they're in the right place. Then, update sections with your client's info, current projects, and resources. You'll notice areas to upload creatives, notes, or files. This can be anything from contracts to brand guidelines to visual assets. This part is a bit like organizing your digital office, so take your time and make sure the most important details are added as you go. If you come across any section that doesn't fit your business or your workflow, remember, you can customize it, rename things, move blocks around, or delete sections you don't need. Notion is super flexible, so it'll work just as well for freelancers as it does for big agencies. Personalizing the template is what really makes the portal feel tailored. So don't be afraid to experiment. It's all about making your space inviting and easy to use, both for you and for your clients. And that's really all there is to it. You now have a fully functional client portal, CRM, and project manager in Notion. You can always revisit the portal, tweak things as your business grows, and even duplicate the setup for future clients to keep everything streamlined. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps more people discover these tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, or if you want to know more about customizing Notion for your workflow. I read every single one, and I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on smart, actionable tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next big client project.